Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have an iPhone 12 with a stab wound. Not really, just a crack on the screen. So let's go fix it. So this iPhone 12 is still working. You can still access the touchscreen, use the smartphone as normal, but this is gonna be danger if you swipe it the wrong way and it will cut your fingers. So the best way to address this is to replace the display, and this is what we're gonna use when we reprogram the replacement display. That is because Apple will serialize parts. So that means the parts that comes with your iPhone 12 will be paired with the motherboard. So whenever you replace the display, the settings will just flag some error message as you boot up the smartphone. The Face ID is not anymore working. The True Tone or whatever technology they have embedded on the display itself will not anymore work, including the Face ID. So the device that David has shown you will copy the data from the old display to the replacement display, so that the main board of the iPhone 12 will think that it's still got the factory display. So no error messages. It will look and feel brand new. I'm gonna remove this got clips and adhesives. We're gonna lift it 90 degree to the left and then remove some screws. And unlike other smartphones, the iPhone 12 screen will have 4 connections to the main board. See here? There's 3 of them. So that's very complicated, and you have to remember that you have to put back all the screws back in the right order, or some errors will also appear. We're gonna connect the 2 connectors. This is the old display. I'm gonna push that in, and it will activate some algorithms on this machine. We'll copy the data, and once that is done, you're gonna remove the 2 connected connectors. See there, put that to the side, and we're gonna pull out our replacement display. Same way, we're gonna attach the 2 connectors. It's gonna be tricky with the camera on the way, but here we go. We're gonna paste it. So it's just like flashing a firmware or copy paste the data from the old display to the new one. So if you skip this step and you just went on with the replacement display, the iPhone 12 will flag the new display as unauthentic. But this one is a high quality replacement part that David has sourced. It is color accurate. So if you have this kind of repair with Apple, you will spend an enormous amount of cash, believe me. And I think they will not even do the repairs. You just replace the device if you're under warranty. But if you're not under warranty, you don't have Apple Care, you have to shell out some cash. And David is going to remove some components from the old display as well, and then transfer it to the new one. So this is going to be a very tricky repair if you don't have the components. That is why, if you are interested in fixing your iPhone 12, you should watch this video, weigh the pros and cons, whether you want Apple to do it or have a service technician do it. But if you're gonna opt out for a third party, make sure they know what they're doing and you get some warranty from them. And if you're interested in what we offer here, if you want the same fix on your iPhone 12, just visit Sydney CBD Repair Center, or you can mail in your broken smartphone and we'll perform the repairs here in the shop. You can see there, everything is all working fine. So David is just gonna reassemble everything, put back the screws in the right order to avoid some complications later on. And I hope you learned something from this video. If you're wondering how an iPhone 12 display gets replaced, this is how you should do it. And that's it. I'm just gonna close it up, put back the last 2 screws on the housing, and this iPhone 12 will live on as another brand new smartphone. Just gonna clean it up, wipe it, and put some free tempered glass. So I hope you enjoyed this, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you again next time. Take care of yourself. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.